Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to connect your Payoneer account to your Shopify store. This will allow you to accept payments from customers directly through Payoneer, making it easier to manage your finances. So let's dive right in. Head over to your Shopify admin panel and log into your account. Navigate to the Settings section, usually found in the bottom left corner. Once you are in Settings, click on Payments to manage your payment gateways. In some cases, you might see Payoneer Checkout listed directly under Payment Methods. If available, simply click Activate to connect to your account. But if you don't see Payoneer listed initially, click on the Add Payment Method button. Then click on the Search by Provider option above the search bar. Next, use the search bar and type in Payoneer Checkout and it should appear. Click on Payoneer Checkout. Next, click on the Install button. Now here you will be prompted to install the Payoneer app to your Shopify store. Simply click on the Install button to install the app. Now, the app is installed and you just need to connect your Payoneer account. Click on the Manage Account button. This will redirect you to the Payoneer website where you can log in or create your account to authorize it with Shopify. Once your account is connected to Shopify, you can receive your Shopify payments into your Payoneer account. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.